Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Lintech, and today we are unboxing a new phone which I got from Lazada. So today we're unboxing the Xiaomi Redmi 5A 2GB RAM with 16 gigs of ROM. So this is an old phone. I think this was released back in 2017, December 2017 yata. And let's check how much I got it. I got it for only 3,490 pesos. So last week mayroong discount, so I only got it for 3,490 pesos or just about $70. So pwede na. And the reason why I got a new phone is because my Cloud Phone Excite Prime nagre-restart siya mag-isa. Tapos, ayan, after nung huling restart niya, wala nang signal. Hindi na nagkakaroon ng signal. 2 years na yung Cloud Phone Excite Prime ko. Served me well, so I guess pwede na natin siyang palitan. Moving on to the unboxing. Ooh. Here we go. The Redmi 5A. Let's check the box first. Here's the front. It's running Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 quad-core processor, 5-inch LCD display, not OLED, 13 megapixel camera with autofocus, 3000 mAh battery, Xiaomi, nothing at the top, nothing at the bottom. Side, Redmi 5A global version. Redmi 5A global version. And at the back, we have the serial number and IMEI and Redmi 5A, the color dark gray, dedicated micro SD slot, and there it's a dual SIM, dual standby phone, pero it has a third slot para sa micro SD card. So, yun yung isang nagustuhan ko dito sa phone na to. Alright. Let's open it up. Ayan. So, kung hindi nyo pa nabalitaan, this year, in-announce lang na si Huawei na yung top 2 na selling mobile phone brand. So, ang top 1, syempre si Samsung. Dami bumibili ng Samsung na phone. Pero, dati ang top 2 is iPhone. Pero ayun nga, na overtake na siya ni Huawei at hulaan nyo sino yung top 4, si Xiaomi. Syempre napunta sa top 3 si iPhone, pero top 4 na ngayon si Xiaomi. So malaking bagay yung ibig sabihin nun. Ibig sabihin maraming nagtitiwala sa brand na Xiaomi kasi top 4 selling phone, mobile phone na sila ngayon eh. Although top 2 si Huawei na mobile phone this year. So kung top 2 mobile brand si Huawei, ba't hindi Huawei binili ko? Bakit Xiaomi? Well, close fight sila actually, pero ang nagustuhan ko kasi dito kay Xiaomi yung external memory card niya, hindi niya kinakain yung second SIM card slot. So and yung price rin nung time na nabili ko to, si Xiaomi yung merong sale. Kaya, ayun, si Xiaomi na nabili ko. Nasira bigla si si Cloud Phone eh. Okay. So, ayun siya. Let's check the phone first. Here's the screen. Wow. May kasama na siyang screen protector. Ano ba to? Okay. Ayun nga pala. Medyo iba lang dito kay Xiaomi. Yung notification light niya nandito sa baba. Pero wala, masasanay ka rin naman kasi mas maganda namang yung camera nasa taas kaysa yung camera yung ilagay nila sa baba. Kasi pag meron kang ka-face, ka FaceTime or ka video chat, ang weird kasi nakatingin ka dito sa kausap mo pero yung camera dito sa baba. Nakikita ng kausap mo yung baba mo. So, okay lang na yung notification light na lang ilipat nila dito sa baba kaysa yung camera. Okay? So, yan, medyo huwag kayong ma-turn off doon kasi maliit na bagay lang naman yun eh. Kasi kung notification light lang naman, pareho lang naman yung makikita nyo kapag nakahiga yung phone. Diba? Okay, so let's check the front side. We have the apps button, home button, back button. And then here's the earpiece. and then the front facing camera, and here is the proximity sensor. Okay, checking the sides. Right side we have the volume rocker, and a power button. At the bottom we have a micro USB and the earphones. Oh, sorry, micro USB and then the microphone. On the right side we have the SIM card slot 1 and SIM card slot, I believe SIM card slot 2. So you have 2 slots for the SIM cards. Oh wait, I think this is the SIM card slot and this is the micro SD card slot. So since we have a dedicated slot for the micro SD card, they provided a separate slot for that. Alright, and at the top we have the earphone jack, the noise cancellation microphone, and we also get an infrared sensor. So you can use this phone as a remote control for your smart TV or other smart gadgets. Pwede siyang gamitin remote control kahit yung normal TV nyo lang. Here's the, I think this is the speakers. Oh, kasi wala naman dito eh. So this is the back facing or rear facing speaker, made in China, model MCG3B, designed by Xiaomi, and there's the Mi logo, manufacturer, postal address, the Rainbow City, China Resources, District, Beijing. Okay, do not assemble this device. And here's the rear camera and the rear flash. That's the phone. Let's check the accessories. So first we get a manual. Thank you for choosing Redmi 5A. Nice. Oh, my mistake. So the first tray, and as I mentioned earlier, it has a dedicated slot for the micro SD card. The first tray that I showed you earlier, this one, the first tray will hold one SD card and one SIM card, and the secondary tray will hold the secondary SIM card. Okay, one tray shares one memory card and one SIM card. So dun sa isang tray magkasama yung first SIM card tsaka yung micro SD card nyo, yung memory card nyo. Tapos dun sa second slot yung secondary SIM, mag-isa lang siya dun. Okay. About dual SIM, when two SIM cards are in use, one SIM will offer 4G, 3G, 2G, while other will only offer 3G. So also take that in mind. Both are using nano SIM card. And again, here are the parts which I showed you earlier. Volume rocker, power button, back button, home button, menu button, and USB port sa baba. Redmi 5A. Frequency, so here's the frequency for the LTE. Check nyo na lang. Okay, I guess that's it for the manual. So here's the plug. So yun, reminder nga pala, kung bibili kayo ng phone na to, make sure that your outlet can support this type of plug. So at home, ganito yung outlet namin. So meron siyang bilog. Pero kung flat yung outlet nyo, bumili na lang kayo ng adapter. So you can plug it like this. Ayan. So you can use it on regular flat outlets. Okay? So just a heads up. Next, what else? It comes with the USB charger, USB not yet Type-C, just a micro USB, and the regular USB plug. Okay. Oh, and the SIM card ejector is right there. Okay, so you just fold it and then pull it up to get it. And what else? What do we have here? At the bottom you get nothing. Yeah, so that's about everything. So just the plug and the USB cable and the SIM ejector pin and the manual. So no earphones, okay, reminder, no earphones, and that's about it. That's everything you get for 3,490 pesos. Okay, let's try to turn it on. At least it already comes with a screen protector. MIUI 9 lightning fast. Yan, setup complete again. You're ready to go. And there, here's the home screen. Okay, let's check the settings. Internal storage 16 gig. Ayan, reminder din, heads up, 16 gig siya pero yung available internal storage is only 8 gigs. So yun lang yung medyo pangit pag bumili ka ng 18 gig na ng 16 gig na phone. Okay, so reminder, 16 gig yung phone pero 8 gig na lang yung internal niya. So kung plano mong maglaro ng mga games na malalaka sa storage space, medyo masasuggest ko bumili ka na lang ng mga 30 gig and pataas na may internal storage. May mga model rin naman si Redmi na ganun, pero mas mahal lang ng konti, siguro mas mahal ng 1,000 ganun. Also take note, yung mga buttons dito sa baba wala siyang sariling LED light. Oh, look, even if I press it, it doesn't light up. So I guess you just have to memorize that. This is the menu, this is the home button, and this is the back button. Okay, so let's test out the camera. So here's the Xiaomi and here's the cloud phone. And then let's try taking a picture using the Xiaomi phone. Picture of the box, you can still read the letters, but for the cloud phone Excite Prime, it's already blurry. So again, that's the picture quality comparison. There you go. Alright, so that's all for now. In the next video I'll probably review. Alright, that's all for now. In the next video I'll be reviewing this phone and checking out the cameras and what games it can play. If meron kayong request na games na gustong itry using Xiaomi Redmi 5A, just leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to test it out using this phone. Alright guys, thank you for watching, take care and God bless, and see you in the next video only here on Lin.